Wait, Samsung just dropped Android 16 early, and almost no one saw it coming. The stable One UI 8.0 update is finally here, and it's packing more AI and customization than any Samsung update we've seen before. So what's new? Which phones are getting it first? And why is this update so important for Galaxy users? Stick around, because there's one feature in particular that could completely change how you use your phone. Here's what happened. Samsung promised the update would land in September, but without giving us a date. Well, on September 15th, the rollout began. And of course, the brand new Galaxy S25 series got first dibs. But don't worry if you're on an older flagship. The Galaxy S24 series, Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6 are next in line. And Samsung says most other eligible Galaxy devices, including tablets, should get the update before the end of this year. So, yes, it's a phased rollout, but it's moving fast. Now let's talk features. One UI 8.0 isn't just about Android 16 under the hood. Samsung has gone all in on AI. There are enhanced AI-driven personalization tools, improvements to the Now bar and Now brief, and tighter Knox security. You'll also see a redesigned Quick Share, a more secure folder, smoother Samsung decks, and a cleaner flow for creating Bluetooth Auracast audiocasts. Even the built-in apps like Calendar, Clock, Reminders, and Weather have been refreshed with smarter features and sharper visuals. Basically, this update is about making your Galaxy feel smarter, more secure, and more personal without sacrificing performance or stability. But here's the feature I teased earlier, and it might be a game changer: AI Select. It takes what you're looking at on your screen and gives you smarter, context-aware options instantly. Imagine highlighting text, an image, or even content inside an app, and your phone immediately suggesting the most useful action. It's subtle, but it could save you time every single day. So, if you're on the Galaxy S25, check your updates right now. If not, your turn is coming soon. And with One UI 8.0, Samsung is proving that software innovation is just as important as hardware. What do you think? Is this Samsung's smartest update yet? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns.